Hello, sir. In my data visualization project in Python, I need a suggestion on how to solve a specific problem. I have to create interactive charts that can be easily modified and shared with my team. What would you recommend?
I'd recommend looking into the Vega-Altair library. Vega-Altair, or simply Altair, is a declarative statistical visualization library for Python that's built on top of Vega and Vega-Lite visualization grammars. It's designed to be simple to use and easy to understand, while also enabling powerful and complex visualizations. Can I show you some charts created with this library?
Sounds promising. Can you tell me more about it?
Sure. Altair allows you to construct a wide range of visualizations with a simple API. Charts are described in JSON format, and this declarative approach means that you only need to describe the properties of the data, and the rest is handled for you.
How would I create a basic chart?
First, you need to install Altair. You can do this using pip. Then, here's an example of how you create a basic bar chart. This code will generate an interactive bar chart of horsepower versus miles per gallon from the car's dataset.
That's quite straightforward. What makes Altair interactive?
Altair's interactivity comes from its ability to bind chart properties to user input. Here's an example where you can interact with the chart. This will create a scatter plot with a drop-down menu that lets you select cars based on their country of origin to highlight them.
Can you tell me more about how data is handled in Altair?
Certainly. Altair works with pandas data frames, which makes it very convenient for data manipulation. When you pass a data frame to Altair, it automatically infers the data types for encoding. You can specify the data types explicitly, which can be useful for dates and categorical data.
How about customization? Can I tweak the aesthetics to fit my presentation style?
Absolutely, Altair charts are highly customizable. You can modify the appearance of marks, set chart titles, adjust scales, and much more. For example, to customize the color and size of the marks. This code will increase the size of the points and color them by their origin.
And what about exporting the charts?
Altair charts can be saved as HTML files, PNG, or SVG images, which makes sharing easy. You can simply use the save method. Or to save as an image, you need to install the Altair_saver package. Then you can use
Great. How does Altair handle larger datasets?
That's an important point. Altair itself is optimized for datasets that can fit comfortably in memory, up to a few thousand rows. For larger datasets, Altair integrates with Vega's data loading capabilities, which allows you to work with data stored in external files and URLs, although some interactive features might be limited.
This has been really helpful. I'm excited to try Altair for my project. Thanks.
You're welcome. The Altair documentation is very comprehensive and includes a wealth of examples to help you get started. Get started at github.com/altair-viz/altair.